Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to make Instagram story icons smaller. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your Instagram application and sign in your account. After that, just go ahead and take a screenshot of your feed. Okay, so on your screenshot, you should include these story icons. Okay, so now click on your profile photo at the lower right corner of your screen. Click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Click on settings. Scroll down until you see the help section. So just go ahead and click on that help section. So now let's just wait. So here on help section, you should type or create a message regarding your concern. Okay? So in some reason, the help section is not loading. Okay, but just go ahead and type, for example, like, good day, my Instagram story icons are too big. So here, click on report problem. So here. So for example, good day, my Instagram story icons are too big. So just like that, they are not done. So just go ahead and type anything you want. They are not the normal size like they used to be. Please help me to resolve this problem. Then, thank you. Then now just go ahead and click on the upload icon right here and then select the screenshot that you've taken earlier. Okay? And now you just need to wait until the Instagram support will respond on you and they should provide you with assistance. Okay? And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.